In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved for Klarna. 5 minutes. Klarna is a buy now, pay later service that lets you split purchases into manageable payments. Approval is quick, but it does depend on a few essentials and how accurately you complete the process. I'll walk you through what you need and how to apply smoothly. First, make sure you're at least 18 years old. Klarna uses your legal age to comply with local regulations and verify your identity. When you apply, enter your full legal name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your government ID and bank records. Typos or nicknames can trigger a denial because the system can't confirm who you are. Next, you'll need to live in a country where Klarna operates. Availability varies by region, and merchants may differ too. Use your actual residential address, not a forwarding address, and keep location services or your billing address consistent. If your bank statement shows one address and you enter another, the system may flag it. Have a valid credit or debit card ready. This should be a card that supports online purchases and has sufficient funds for any upfront payments. Prepaid or virtual cards may not always be accepted. Make sure the card's billing address matches the address you enter with Klarna to avoid verification hiccups. You'll also be asked for a working mobile number and email address. Klarna sends verification codes by text and important updates by email, so use contact details you can access immediately. If you don't see emails, check your spam folder and mark them as safe. You can apply either during a purchase or ahead of time in the Klarna app. Applying in the app lets you set up your profile and see your options before you buy. If you're already shopping, simply proceed to checkout at a participating retailer. At checkout, choose Klarna as your payment method. You may see options like paying in installments or paying later. Pick the plan that fits your budget and double check your cart total. Starting with a smaller purchase often improves your chances on a first attempt. You'll enter basic personal details, your name, date of birth, and address, and then Klarna runs a quick eligibility check. The decision is usually instant. Keep your information consistent, avoid using a VPN, and make sure everything matches your card and bank records. If approved, you'll see your payment schedule and due dates. If not, consider trying again later with a lower amount and perfect matching details. Stay within your budget, pay on time, and you'll be set for a smooth Klarna experience.